In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate with Deepseek and Make.com. By the end, you'll have a working scenario in Make that connects to Deepseek AI and returns chat completions you can use in your workflows. Start by opening Make and heading to your dashboard. From there, go to Scenarios. This is where all your automations live. Click Create Scenario to spin up a new one. A blank canvas opens and you'll see the module picker. In the search bar, type Deepseek AI. When it appears in the list, click it to add the app to your scenario. You'll be prompted to choose a module. Select Create a Chat Completion. This module sends messages to Deepseek and returns a response you can map anywhere else in Make. Perfect for drafting text, summarizing content, or building assistants that respond to prompts. Because this is your first time connecting, you'll need to create a connection. Click the option to create a connection, give it a clear, memorable name so you can recognize it later, and choose to authenticate with an API key. If you don't already have a Deepseek API key, let's grab one now. Open the Deepseek website and click Access API to get to the platform. Go to the API key section. Click Create New API Key. Give your key a descriptive name so you'll know what it's used for. Then confirm to create it. You'll see the key once. Copy it now and store it securely. Treat your key like a password and never share it publicly. Head back to Make and paste the API key into the connection field. Click Save to finalize the connection. Make will verify the key, and once it's confirmed, your Deepseek module is ready to configure. Now, let's set up the prompt. In the Messages area, click Add Item to create your first message. Choose a role. System messages are great for setting behavior and guardrails like "You are a concise assistant." User messages contain the actual prompt or question. Assistant messages can include prior AI replies if you're threading a conversation, but for a single request, a system and a user message is often enough. Add your content for the message based on the role you selected. Keep system content short and directive. Keep user content clear and specific about the task you want done. If you see a name field, you can add one to identify a speaker, which helps when you structure multi-message conversations. Next, choose a model. Pick the Deepseek chat model that fits your needs. Newer or larger models often produce better results but may be more resource intensive. If you're unsure, start with the recommended default model and iterate from there. Set max tokens. This defines the maximum length of the response. A small value returns concise answers. A larger value allows more detailed outputs. Remember, usage is measured in tokens, which include both your prompts and responses. Ensure your account has sufficient balance or quota to run the automation reliably. Adjust temperature to control creativity. Lower temperatures like 0.1 to 0.3 are best for deterministic, repeatable outputs such as formatting or extracting data. Higher temperatures like 0.7 or above encourage more creative or varied language for brainstorming and ideation. Pick a value that matches your use case. In response format, choose the type you expect back. If you want plain text, select text. If you plan to map the output into structured fields later, choose a structured option such as JSON, and make sure your prompt explicitly asks for that format so the response is easy to parse. Once your messages, model, tokens, temperature, and response format are set, click Save. Your Deepseek chat completion step is now wired up and ready. At this point, your scenario can generate AI responses that you can map into subsequent modules, whether you want to send an email, update a document, or pass results to another system. If you plan to expand later, you can add a trigger at the start or additional actions afterward, but for now, you've completed the core setup. That's it for this build. You went from a blank scenario to a fully configured Deepseek connection, set your messages and roles, chose the model, and tuned tokens and temperature for the outcome you want. Save your work and you're ready to run it whenever you need AI-powered text in your Make automations.